Welcome to this video, a video where I can help you to speak English like a native, to pronounce everything correctly, and also enjoy our nature, okay, the nature that we have in here, okay, where I right now live. Okay, today's topic is the R pronunciation. How does it come from? Okay, where does it come from? I mean, how do you pronounce R sound? Okay, let's recap a little bit. Whenever you want to pronounce R, the easier way is to just curve your tongue a little bit and to push air out like that. And meanwhile, it's gonna vibrate in your vocal and in your throat, so it's a voiced sound. Okay, so let me try again one more time so you understand it better. Like that. So this is your tongue, okay? It's normal, like you can see it really, it's normal. And then it curves, and then you push the air out. So that's the real R, American R I learned over many instructors that taught me well, and they were good with it. Okay, so and so that was the easier way. The most easiest way is a little bit different. It's like barking, okay? The dog barks outside, rah, rah, rah. So that is the R sound. Okay, let's go ahead with some practice. Okay, the word that starts with R, I'm gonna go spontaneously with this, okay? I've never prepared anything because I already know how to say R and what letters to say at first. Okay, so let's go ahead. Right. Okay, so right. Rat. Right. So we have two right. Okay, one for writing and one for writing. So they are two. So right now we have said three vocabulary. So vocabulary, at the end there is an R sound. Vocabulary. Training. Okay, key point, you have to exaggerate everything. If you don't exaggerate, so it's not gonna be good. Okay, you have to exaggerate, push the air and make it really unlimited. That's how it becomes possible. All right, camera. That's camera. Next, teacher. Okay, at the end you have teacher. Okay, let's go ahead and pronounce some sentences with me. Okay, practice some sentence with me and then you can really master it. I am right. So I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Okay, so step ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead and restart again. I am Tom Cruise. I am Tom Cruise. Now repeat after me and copy everything I do. I am Tom Cruise. Everything I said was right. Everything I said was right. I never lie. I am a good boy. So that was really a fun sentence. I always do remember. I always do remember things that are easier for me, and I forget things that are harder for me. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe. If you didn't subscribe yet, so please subscribe to this channel and I'll be super happy. Okay, see you in the channel. Bye bye. Subscribe now.